Hey guys, I wanted to show y'all how to know when it's time to save seeds from your trumpet flower plants. So here is the beautiful trumpet flower. Mine is white with the purple edging on it. And so that's what the flower looks like. Once the flower dies, you can see the flower right here, and then it has that end part on it attached to the plant still. Once that falls off, you'll be left with this green pod right here. And then once that dries, you'll see we have one here, here, and there's the best example. That brown pod right there, it's split open and you can see all those seeds right there. So all you gotta do is cut that off, separate the seeds, and you have a whole bunch of new seeds. Here's a close-up view of that part falling off of the green pod, exposing the pod. So here's a closer look of it. You can see all of those are seeds right there. So now just one of these little flowers gave you a ton of more seeds to plant. And you can see this is how tall my plant is. It goes all the way up there. This is the second year of this being planted, and it has definitely enjoyed its life for sure. I just love these flowers. You can see this one's going out, but you can see the purple on it. And then like this one.